Hi, myself Rinda. I am Shreyan Mehta's mom, who is studying in Bachpan currently in playgroup. And my journey has been very exciting because it had little ups and downs. As my kid, who is a totally mama's boy, obviously refused to enter the school at the start because mama nahi hai and all that. But school has taken good care of him, and the way he loved coming to his school after 1 month of it, and it was totally amazing. If I have to give any good pointers about school, first thing would be that Bachpan is very different and unique in terms of when I see the bonding, to be very frank, and this is what I have witnessed. So it's not a school, it's basically a family. You know, I've seen the connection of teachers with our kids, and the way the teachers bond and the way they bond with us as parents has been amazing, because there has never been a single day जब हमने कुछ पूछा हो कि मैम क्या हुआ क्या नहीं, we did not get an answer और बोला कि नहीं मैम we cannot tell you. हमेशा छोटी से छोटी बात भी हमें बताई गई है, हमें इन्फॉर्म की गई है, हमें पूछा गया है. So I totally love this fact. And the bond between the teachers, you know, the way they make reels also, be it educational or be it fun, it's very good to see, because अगर teachers इतने connected हैं, they can pass that same thing to the kids as well. And I've seen that, and I've seen the kids also bonding the same way, that's why. And when a kid keeps on, like, you know, repeating or chanting the teacher's name at house, which means, you know, the teachers have definitely impacted the kid, because kabhi bhi usko pucho na, so he'll be like, Komal teacher and Dolly teacher are my favorite. And apart from that, it's not just one class. जैसे श्रेयान की मिस थी कोमल मैम एंड डॉली मैम, बट उसके अलावा बाकी जो क्लास के टीचर्स भी होते हैं ना, दे इन्वॉल्व विद अदर बैच के स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो. ऐसे नहीं कि ये हमारा क्लास है तो हम इसी पे फोकस करेंगे. लाइक दिस दीपिका टीचर, ओवी मैम, वो सब भी इन्वॉल्व होते हैं दूसरे दूसरे क्लास में भी. सो द kids are familiar with all the teachers around the school and everything, and I totally love the fact that, you know, how friendly they are and how they treat our kids also as a family. So we are definitely going to miss Bachpan once it's over, and even my kid is going to miss it. And I'm sure the teachers are definitely going to miss all the bachas in the school, because they totally love them, and you can see that when they talk about them, and you can see it in their eyes. So all heart to Bachpan. एंड द टैगलाइन प्रूव्स इट, बिकॉज बचपन सिर्फ एक बार आता है, और आप लोग ने हमारे बच्चों का बचपन बहुत अच्छे से संवारा है. सो थैंक यू सो मच.
बचपन प्ले स्कूल, क्योंकि बचपन सिर्फ एक बार आता है.